What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's a couple days after ZDayZ, and I figured I would go ahead and post what little bit of footage I actually do have. So a lot of y'all know that I've been having a lot of trouble with cameras and such, and I lost damn near all my video footage. I was able to save some of it from the Cars and Coffee and Car Show from ZDayZ, but that's about it. Thankfully I did get all the pictures, well, all but 4 pictures uploaded to Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat, which Snapchat story's done over. But if you want to look at my personal Facebook page or the personal Instagram, they should be on there. But anyway, I had a blast. The car did exceptionally well. It did have 1 or 2 little minor issues. I guess after about a 3-hour drive, going ham through the mountains, when you go to turn it off, the fuel pump makes a noise, and then it does the same thing when it primes. And then, but if you let it set and cool down, it's fine again. It hasn't done it since. And there was some other little BS issue, and I mean, it's fine though. So it is what it is. Old car problems. Car's doing great though. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll what little bit of video footage I was able to recover. And after that, I'll pick back up and discuss a few things. Yep.
It was great. I still love that car.
Okay, there was something like that.
Because we live in Atlanta.
Yeah. I remember they were saying like there's one. Yeah, disappointed in you. How dirty this car is.
It is.
Sarcasm out the ass. Stupid like knick-knack or something that makes it quote unquote not. If you read the like actual instructions.
Yeah, but you can find it.
Look at that. I don't know, but he really needs to take care of his car.
Shit.
I need a screen protector for my phone.
Yes, you do.
Yeah, okay.
Oh.
It's still, yeah, I bet it's slowly picking up now, but I bet it's still.
You know, the hard part is getting, you know, it takes a bit to get products ready to launch.
I don't know. Okay.
Glenn the photographer.
Everybody passing the street. I had one when I was a kid. I wish I'd never sold one. He's on it because they bumped it back.
The way that they're judging to me, and I didn't realize it until I saw it right here now.
Tires that were on there were 15 years old, and we changed the oil.
Well, I brought cameras, but they're crappy cameras. This
iPhone 12 will work just to get enough.
man, I lost everything off my phone last night. I don't know. I mean, I got everything but like 4 pictures uploaded to Facebook and Insta and Snap and everything. But yeah, I accidentally hit that damn thing on Google Photos. It's like free up some space.
Oh.
And it's like, congratulations, you've lost everything. Fuck my life.
This gray one is just so absurd. Oh yeah. Oh okay. But usually
Little. Did you?
Why are you so hateful, Ashley?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
You did
so fucking funny.
I did.
You ever watch the movie Old School?
Yeah, once or twice. Will Ferrell.
Yeah.
This reminds me of Machu Picchu when I'm walking on the edge of the cliff and there's no shit. I'm like, yeah. They just put like, they have something like this. She got the bikes, she got the video. They had a bunch of people, guys, models. Around here somewhere.
Like we've gotten to where we had 2 cents in at a time. You tell someone, yeah, I've got to settle for the rest of the day. I'll take it. And the next thing you know, 2 cents later. You get so mad, maybe come walk in.
Aston Martin front bumper. Well, custom made.
Interesting. It actually kind of works with it. I didn't think it would.
I was gonna say if it takes double A's, I've got some double A's somewhere. Yeah, most of the good cameras don't take double A's anymore.
Yeah, they usually
Oh man. Somewhere up here.
don't. I'm kidding. Oh yeah, I remember the killer.
The egg roll place. The egg roll place is over there somewhere.
Egg roll place? There's an egg roll place? Pretty lenient.
Yeah, I've not had to put a damn mask on. I mean, when I first showed up, I did because I didn't know what was going on. But
I guess because like.
this one's grouchy. So that was what little bit of footage I actually had saved. And don't let this video be like, oh well, ZDayZ wasn't all that great. No, ZDayZ was a blast. An absolute damn blast. I just lost all my damn footage, so don't discredit ZDayZ. The new venue is amazing. The resort is beautiful. Of course, I didn't stay at the resort. I drove back and forth from the house every day, considering I live 45 minutes away. But the resort is great. The bartenders are bomb. But yeah, so ZDayZ is fantastic. Thank you to Brian and everybody for making it happen, putting it on, all that good stuff. So I got incredibly sunburnt, which I'm actually starting to peel certain places. But man, it's humid out all. It's another bad hair day. But anyway, ZDayZ was great. It was wonderful. If you can make it next year, it's the weekend before Memorial Day. Always, apparently. I don't know. I'm still new at this, but that's what I have as far as video footage. Be sure to check out the personal Instagram and Facebook. Joshosaurus 422. That's the Insta. There is a link to my profile in the bio. Search for the photo album. It's there. It's public. You can see it on Facebook. Share it, like, whatever. Ridicule it. I don't care. But also, with me having so many issues doing these videos and losing footage and crappy cameras and just pure old bad luck, and then nobody seems to be watching them, I don't know if I'm going to continue the channel much. I mean, I'll probably do a few uploads here and there, and then there's also so much other stuff going on, stuff with Dad, and I just don't have time to do videos, and I can't get around like I used to. I'm old, I'm fat, I'm breaking down, everything hurts, and I'm dying. It's a slow and painful death. Slow and painful death. Anyway, I don't know if I want to keep on with the channel. I mean, I'll probably in some form upload stuff every few months, I'm sure, because I go places, do things. But as far as what I intended to do with the channel, it's probably not going to happen, guys. So I don't know. We'll see as time goes on. Anyway, I hope you do enjoy, or did enjoy, what little bit of footage I caught. Go through those pictures. Like, share, tag, whatever. Hope y'all have a good day.